Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to protect your privacy, secure public Wi-Fi, access restricted content, or hide your IP address, turning on a VPN is essential. In iPhone settings 2026, Apple makes VPN setup simple and reliable, whether you use a VPN app or manual configuration. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on VPN on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first you can do is go into the settings. So this is where VPN connections are managed. Scroll down and tap general. Okay, VPN settings live inside this section. So tap VPN and device management. So tap VPN and device management in this option. Okay, so this is the option. So this area controls VPN's profiles and configurations. So if a VPN is already set up, simply toggle VPN on. Once enabled, VPN icon appears in the status bar. Internet traffic becomes encrypted. Your IP address is masked. Okay, so if no VPN is listed, tap add VPN configuration, choose the VPN type, okay, and then enter server, remote ID, username and password, authentication details, tap done to save. Okay, so once added, go back to VPN and device management and toggle VPN on. Your VPN now is active. Most users install a VPN app from the App Store. After installation, open the VPN app, allow VPN permissions, tap connect. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.